Question number 1. The planet closest to the Sun is A. Venus, B. Jupiter, C. Saturn, D. Mercury. Correct answer is D. Mercury. Question number 2. Mars is called the planet A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. White. Correct answer is A. Red. Question number 3. Jupiter is the planet A. Largest, B. Coldest, C. Smallest, D. Hottest. Correct answer is A. Largest. Question number 4. The part of the body that is made up of tough elastic tissue is A. Bones, B. Muscles, C. Cells, D. Tissues. Correct answer is B. Muscles. Question number 5. The bones of the body are joined together to make the A. Blood, B. Nerves, C. Skeleton, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Skeleton. Question number 6. When we breathe in, the lungs become filled with A. Water, B. Blood, C. Air, D. All of these. Correct answer is C. Air. Question number 7. Dash in the stomach helps to kill germs. A. Juice, B. Acid, C. Salt, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Acid. Question number 8. A potato is an undergrounded dish. A. Stem, B. Root, C. Bulb, D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Stem. Question number 9. Protein, fats, and carbohydrates are called dash. A. Primary food substances, B. Secondary food substances, C. Welfare food, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Primary food substances. Question number 10. Welfare food are dash. A. Water and vitamins, B. Vitamins and minerals, C. Water and minerals, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Vitamins and minerals. Question number 11. A substance that helps to carry a substance from one part of the body to another is A. Food, B. Air, C. Light, D. Water. Correct answer is D. Water. Question number 12. A minerals which helps in making red blood cell is A. Sodium, B. Iron, C. Calcium, D. Acid. Correct answer is B. Iron. Question number 13. The part of the earth where living things are found is called A. Atmosphere, B. Biosphere, C. Hemisphere, D. None of these. Correct answer is biosphere. Question number 14. One-fifth of the air is gas called A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, D. Helium. Correct answer is A. Oxygen. Question number 15. The dish provides energy for all living things. A. Earth, B. Moon, C. Sun, D. Sky. Correct answer is C. Sun. Question number 16. Cool air has pressure A. High pressure, B. Low pressure, C. No pressure, D. All of these. Correct answer is A. High pressure. Question number 17. Fish and other river life cannot live without dash. A. Carbon dioxide, B. Sulfur dioxide, C. Sodium oxide, D. Oxygen. Correct answer is D. Oxygen. Question number 18. Dash poles of a magnet attract each other. A. Opposite, B. No attract, C. Similar, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Opposite. Question number 19. Magnets that are used in electric bells are called A. Bell magnet, B. Sound magnet, C. Noise magnet, D. Electromagnets. Correct answer is D. Electromagnets. Question number 20. Unpleasant sound are called A. Music, B. Sound, C. Noise, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Noise. Question number 21. Sound that is dash is called an echo. A. Reflected. B. Refracted. C. Dispersed. D. None of these. Correct answer is reflected. Question number 22. Proton have dash charge. A. Negative charge. B. Positive charge. C. Neutral. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Positive charge. Question number 23. Electrons have a dash charge. A. Negative charge. B. Positive charge. C. Neutral. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Negative charge. Question number 24. Electricity that is not moving is called A. Current electricity. B. Magnetic electricity. C. Static electricity. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Static electricity. Question number 25. Neutron have dash charge. A. Have no charge. B. Positive charge. C. Negative charge. D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Have no charge.